tastemakers, it's Maxine, your favorite wine specialist, guiding you on your journey through fine wine. And this is Eat Good with Maxine. On today's episode, we are celebrating Galentine's. I know that this is a new holiday for some. I discovered it about 3 years ago, and I have been celebrating it ever since. It is such a fun day to celebrate your friendships with your favorite gal pals. You can exchange gifts, you can come together, you can do whatever you want to, but we always must celebrate us ladies and our wonderful friendships. What a blessing to have great friends. I know I definitely hit the friend jackpot. But in today's episode of celebrating Galentine's Day, we are going to give our favorite gals the gift of a fabulous brunch. And we cannot have a fabulous brunch without wonderful bubbly. So in today's episode, I'm going to introduce you to the wine first. Today's episode, we are celebrating with the McBride sisters. If you all know their story, they are two sisters and they produce wines from California to New Zealand. So we had to have some girl power in celebration of our Galentines. With their sparkling brut rosé, you're going to pick up notes of cranberry, raspberry, strawberry, a hint of peach with a nice creamy finish that is going to complement our wonderful brunch that you will enjoy with your favorite gals. And we wanted to switch it up. A lot of times when we see Galentine's Day, they're different things, but we are going to host a brunch. And what is a fabulous brunch without our friend, Chef Ray, joining us again to teach us what we are going to cook for our fabulous Galentine's Day brunch.
Hello,
Hey,
Max.
Chef Ray.
It's like I just saw you for Super Bowl.
I know.
How
Now
was
we're
the
here
lobster?
again. Oh, it was fabulous. Now you get to
Thank you
hang
for
out
having-
with the girls today.
Yeah, you had to explain it to
Yeah.
me.
You were like, what is Galentine?
I was like, it ain't one of those divorce parties, is it?
No divorce party here. We are celebrating Galentine's, a celebration of just the fabulous women in our lives.
Okay.
And we are glad to have you here. What are we making for our Galentine's Day brunch?
Well, Max, we decided to fill the soul with some love. So what better thing, something to stick to you.
Yes.
And what is that? Grits.
Grits.
Yeah, and the fact that we live here
We're Southern.
on the Gulf Coast, where fresh shrimp is of the plethora. You should never buy any frozen shrimp if you live in Texas, because
Really? Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
Yeah. The Gulf is in your backyard.
Okay, I realize.
If you need fresh shrimp, I'll bring it to you and go. Don't you ever buy any type of seafood frozen again.
Okay,
You understand?
good.
So,
You live in Houston, do not have frozen seafood at your Galentine's
no,
Day.
and you're gonna taste the difference.
Okay.
And we've got fresh colossal shrimp, and then my amazing grits.
So yes, we're
So
gonna
you
have
got a
wonderful.
birthday coming up too after this
do.
Galentine Valentine's.
Let me know. Comment below if y'all want to see a birthday dinner with Chef Ray and I. But back to the Galentine's, and we're gonna have nice comfort food by celebrating our ladies and drinking great bubbly.
Okay, so let's move over to the stove. I've already got our grits prepared, right?
Okay.
So now, for some people, they know how to cook grits. Some people don't.
Okay.
I do the quick 5-minute grits. They're not instant. You have to cook them.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you some tips, Max.
Okay. Let's get some tips.
Right? So instead of cooking them in just plain water, which is what you usually start with, right?
I do.
I want you to start using chicken stock.
Oh.
Right? Chicken stock.
Okay, we're elevating the
All right.
grits. The chicken stock.
Chicken stock.
No
right?
more water, girls.
And instead of using heavy cream, because I know you're all about waistline,
Keep it slim and trim.
we're gonna use Carnation evaporated milk.
Okay.
Which is less fat, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. So basically, we're gonna start it with chicken stock.
To boil.
Cook your grits down, right? And then, of course, we're gonna add a little bit of fat, because you know I'm all about fat. So meaning we're gonna add some butter.
We'll add some
Right,
butter
to
too.
taste.
It's a cheat meal day, girls.
Yeah.
Galentine.
Now, the fact that we cooked in chicken stock, we don't have to render salt back because chicken stock already has the salt.
Okay.
So we'll render basically black cracked pepper back to it, which we've already did, right? And then we're gonna finish it with the evaporated milk and make them just as creamy. As you can see, Max, they're nice and ready. So our sauce, Max, all I do is I take fresh bell peppers, onions, shallots, garlic, put it in a blender, add a little bit of tomato sauce and a little bit of tomato paste, and I season with the same flavoring that we use, the Old Bay that we used
Okay.
for our lobster on Super Bowl Sunday
Yes.
food. And that's our sauce. And we're gonna finish it again with just a little bit of heavy cream. Gulf Coast, Max.
Gulf
Fresh.
Coast. Get the fresh shrimp,
They're
y'all.
not frozen.
Nope.
Doesn't that smell like
That-
the Gulf City?
Exactly.
Exactly. We're gonna take our seasoning here, Max.
Okay.
We're just gonna sprinkle some over here, right? And then we're gonna add
Avocado oil.
just a little bit of avocado oil, right? Our skillet's been warming, so
Okay. What is that skillet on?
It's on high,
Okay.
on high heat, because it's not gonna take less than 3 to 5 minutes to cook these shrimp.
Got it.
Alrighty?
And how long do we want to cook our shrimp? Because sometimes I feel like I overcook my shrimp.
When they turn that pink color, Max, they're ready.
They're ready.
We're gonna cover with our dome, and basically what this does is hold the heat
Okay.
within what you're cooking, right?
It's a dome, y'all, not a pot cover.
So just like with plateware, right? It's all about the presentation. How you present your food actually takes it to the next level.
It does.
So it goes back to not just about color, but all of the whole components of eating, because it becomes an art. So we're gonna plate our grits, and we wanna plate them in a situation where the composition stays the same. So these are basically plating molds here, rings.
That's how they do it in
Yeah.
a restaurant.
4 ounces of grits, which is more than enough, right?
Okay.
So we're gonna pull the ring, right?
Oh, the sauce smells
Yeah, doesn't it?
amazing. Okay. All right, girls,
just
we're
gonna-
learning how to play.
Drizzle it over the top there. And we're gonna just put a little bit on the outer walls there.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna place one on top.
Okay.
And then we'll place one here.
Oh gosh, that shrimp smells
And
amazing.
there. I'll top it off, Max. Just a little color, some green here, onions.
Always gotta add color, ladies.
Now, that's a beautiful plate.
That is a gorgeous plate. I don't even want to eat this, but we gotta eat it.
So,
Let's try it.
there is no
This
reason to
is
buy frozen seafood in Texas.
Amazing. Yes, I have
yeah.
now switched over. And it really complemented the wine. That's what I really enjoyed.
Yeah.
It complements the creaminess, and it's not too spicy with you saying the Creole season.
Correct.
It really complements the flavor. So this is just a perfect pairing.
So basically, this is my signature cheesecake shots, miniature cheesecake shots. I have just the base New York, strawberry, as well as my cookies and cream. Right?
We're doing the shots for Galentine's because, girls, as much as we are enjoying one another, we're sipping, we're enjoying our fabulous shrimp and cocktails. We also want to practice our portion control. And these cheesecake shots are literally just enough. We had these at the champagne soiree. I always like them. We had it at my birthday celebration. They literally are just enough. But we are going to wrap this episode up. We hope that you all have a fabulous Galentine's. Comment below and let me know what you think. If you have recreated this, let me know your Galentine's Day plans and what you have planned, and if you tried this brunch. Until we meet again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and also subscribe to Chef Ray's channel. That information will be in the description. Until we meet again, drink good, live well. Cheers.
Happy Galentine's.
Happy Galentine's.